back position, you want to make sure that the arms are directly, the hands are directly underneath the shoulders, and knees are always directly underneath the hips. And so we start in a neutral spine position. We're going to contract and draw the tailbone under and then the chin under, getting a nice rounded upper back. Okay, and then we're going to tilt and kind of tip the tailbone up towards the ceiling and lift the chin the opposite direction. So we're rounding here, contracting, and then we're going to arch. And remember, in this arch, we're not allowing the abdominals to release. We're still active, whether we're tucking here or if we're arching here. Okay, so that's cat back. Rounding up, this is pretty much essential, I would say, to do every single day. The cat back stretch is a miracle for your spine, especially with just all of the movements that we do throughout the day. We kind of want to get that spine nice and you know, oiled up so it can help us throughout the day. All right, so then in the child's pose, you're going to sit back on your heels, and you can have your knees open if that feels more comfortable to you. However, you can have your hands just one on top of the other and rest down here. That's one way to just kind of relax the lower back into the child's pose. But there is one other way I want to show you with the hands out in front. You're going to walk them over to the right. So you're kind of in a C curve, like a crescent shape over to the right. And then you just breathe while you're here. So you're going to feel a nice big stretch up the side of the spine. And then you walk over to the left and you do that same thing. You're just curving now to the left, and then you feel a stretch up the back side or up the side of the spine here. And you can do it a couple times, just going back over here and stretching